How to fix locked cannot be edited on Canva error. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix or unlock the element that you are trying to edit on Canva. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. So let's get started. Here on the new tab, you are going to search for canva.com. And once you do that, you are just going to head over to the content or the element that you're not able to edit. So here is something that I've been trying to edit, but I'm not able to. So let's say if I want to change this position, I cannot do anything or move anything around right here. So this is because there is this error code that says lock cannot be edited. So every single one of these says that. So what you're gonna do here is check if somebody has locked your project. So in order to check, on the top of your screen you will see different pages, like different options to add page, duplicate page, and then unlock page. So if you see this lock icon, then that probably means someone you've given access to has locked this page, or you might have done it accidentally yourself as well. You just have to click on this unlock page, and from here you will be able to edit all of these elements. That's pretty much it. So just make sure that this is unlocked. You might have locked it yourself, so after doing that you should be easily able to edit everything around. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.